how to create Kahoot account. So if you want to create a Kahoot account, then first of all, open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Kahoot. And then go for the first search, which is kahoot.com. Go for sign up, which is on the upper right. And then you can choose your account type. So I'll be choosing the last option. And then you can choose another option. Who will you play Kahoot with most often? And select your date of birth. And then click on continue. And you have to enter your username. And then again click on continue. And now you have to enter your email address. And you can also sign up using your Google account or your Microsoft, Apple, or your Clever, any account that you would like, but I'll be choosing my email address. And then create your password. And now click on sign up. And that's it. That's how you create your account. Now you can simply choose any plan that you would like or subscribe to any plan, and then you can use it. Or you can scroll down and go for continue for free. And that's it. That's how you create your Kahoot account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.